5 mistakes when replacing consumables. 1. Choosing the wrong consumable parts and fluids. Many consumable parts and fluids are designed for use in specific vehicles. Using the wrong parts or technical fluids can cause poor performance and rapid failure of systems and assemblies. This particularly concerns the main units of the car, the engine and transmission. For example, choosing the wrong oil can lead to costly repairs. That's why, when buying consumables, it's important to make sure that they are compatible with the specific vehicle and to take into account car manufacturers' approvals and recommendations. You should always fill your car up with fuel that has the octane rating recommended by the car manufacturer. This ensures optimum performance and smooth operation of the engine. Fuel with an octane rating that doesn't meet the engine specifications causes knocking, which in turn can damage the cylinder and piston assembly. When choosing consumable parts, you should also consider their quality. Using car products from trusted brands can significantly extend the life of your vehicle and reduce maintenance costs. 2. Installing the part incorrectly. Common mistakes include the following: applying the incorrect torque when installing spark plugs. Insufficient tightening can cause the part to become loose due to vibration. Tightening with the torque higher than recommended can cause insulator cracking and misfires. Not fitting the air filter properly. Incorrect installation of the part. When the filter does not fit evenly into the mounting seat in the housing, leads to squeezing or conversely to a loose seal. This can result in foreign particles entering the engine and causing scoring on the cylinder walls. Using excessive force when installing the cabin filter. A part deformed during installation will not work correctly, and unfiltered air will enter the vehicle interior. Failing to lubricate the sealing ring with engine oil when installing the oil filter. This can lead to insufficient tightening of the filter and cause seal deformation and failure. Failing to observe polarity when replacing the battery. This can cause a short circuit in the car's electrical system, blowing fuses and damaging electronic components.
Install the Autodoc app. Save money when buying spare parts.
3. Failing to replace related components. In order for the new components to last for their intended life, it is essential to replace the related parts as well. Note the following points. When replacing the petrol pump, a new strainer needs to be installed. When installing new brake discs, the brake pads need to be replaced too, as otherwise they can cause uneven wear on the new components. When installing new brake pads, the anti-rattle clips and anti-squeal shims need to be replaced. The timing belt or chain should be installed with new tensioners, guides and pulleys, as they have the same service life. When changing the engine oil, make sure to install a new oil filter. If you don't do this, foreign particles and carbon deposits in the old filter will quickly contaminate the new oil. The oil filter O-ring and drain plug gasket should also be replaced during an oil change. The automatic transmission fluid should be changed together with the filter. Otherwise, low pressure in the transmission will cause increased wear of friction plates and unit failure. 4. Not using the right tools and materials. When installing new components, it's important to pay attention to which tool should or should not be used. For example, a special removal tool is usually used when removing the spin-on oil filter. However, It is not recommended to use that tool for screwing in the new part, so as not to deform the filter shell and not to affect its leak tightness. New spark plugs must only be installed using a torque wrench with the tightening torque specified in the car owner's manual. In addition, a torque wrench should be used when installing engine components, wheel bolts and nuts, brake parts. 5. Failing to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. In order to avoid damage to units and assemblies, it's important to follow the car manufacturer's recommendations as to when to replace consumable items. For example, brake fluid should be changed at the specified intervals, or when its properties change to the point where it cannot be used. Brake fluid should be checked with appropriate diagnostic equipment. Coolant in new cars should also be changed strictly in accordance with the car manufacturer's recommendations. But the older the car, the more often this procedure should be done, as oxidation products and other foreign particles degrade the coolant properties. Coolant and other consumables may need to be replaced at shorter intervals in case of harsh vehicle operating conditions. Please note, the manufacturer's recommended replacement intervals for consumable parts are only relevant when the vehicle is in full working order.